In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play a video in a Zoom meeting. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your video that you want to play ready. So I'll click on my recordings folder and just grab any video from here. So once you've done that, you have the video ready. What I can do is I can go back onto Zoom, and let's just say you joined the meeting. I'll just create a new meeting right now, and then I will enter in the meeting really quickly. Okay, so now that you're in the meeting, what you need to do is you can see this little share screen button. If you click on share screen, you can choose what you want to share. I want to share the video, so you can see it says QuickTime Player right here because that's the video player that I'm using. If I select QuickTime Player and then I click on share, now you can see it's sharing that specific window, but now I need to go ahead and play the video. So if I go back to my desktop, so right now I just need to press play onto the video, and you notice that you have that green box around the video. That means it's being shared, and this is basically how you can share a video in a Zoom meeting. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.